Hello everyone, how are you all? Today I will show you how to draw rainbow hearts with rainbow color. So let's start draw, paint and color together. So here is our heart is ready. Let's color it together. I will use orange color. Orange color, so nice and bright color. I love orange color so much. The second one is yellow color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Now I will use pink color. Hot pink color. Hot pink color. Now I will use red color, red color, red color, red color. The last color I will use, that is blue color, sky blue color, sky blue color. So let's enjoy coloring.